Currently, Zoom does not have a TV version app at the recording of this video, but I will show you how to use it on your TV using ApowerMirror. This is a reliable mirroring app that works on many different devices and platforms like Android, iOS, iMac, and Windows. All right, so let's dive into this. First step is to make sure that your devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. To cast a Zoom meeting from Android, download the ApowerMirror app on your Android phone and Android TV. Next, open the application on both devices. On your phone, tap the blue mirroring button at the bottom to connect to your TV. Next, click the TV's name to make the connection. And another way to get connected is by the QR code method. You can scan the QR code on your TV and it will automatically mirror your phone. Next, start the Zoom app on your Android device, then tap on Join Meeting. Now, for the iOS or Apple users, follow these steps. Download the app from your App Store. After it's downloaded, open the app. Then tap on the blue mirroring button at the bottom. Next, swipe down on your iPhone from the top on the right-hand side to bring up this control center and tap on Screen Mirroring. Then tap on the name of your TV to mirror your iOS device to your screen. Lastly, open up the Zoom app on your iPhone or iPad to start joining a new meeting. Next, if you want to display Zoom to TV from a PC, follow these steps here. Go to ApowerMirror's website to download the software. Download the app on your TV as well. Then launch the app and look for the PIN code that's on your TV screen. Click the TV option on the app's main interface, then type in the code. Then tap on Start Mirroring. As soon as your TV starts mirroring the PC, start your Zoom app and then join a meeting. These are the best ways to mirror Zoom to your TV. If this video was helpful, click a thumbs up on this video. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.